matter that it is actually a sinful activity. So you should go and atone. So he instructed that Parashuram should go to holy places and atone for the sin. What sin? That he killed Kartavir Arjuna. So why it is a sin? Because Kartavir Arjuna was the king. So he is a representative of God, and in that way you should not kill a king. Okay. It was the summary from. Now, 16th chapter talks about how Lord Parashuram destroys the Kshatriya dynasty. 21 destroyed. So in this chapter there are few sections. First section is about Parashuram killing his mother and brothers. So that is the first section till section from 10 to 19. Parashuram kills the sons of Kartavir Arjuna and other Kshatriyas. And section 3rd from 20th shloka to 27th shloka, Lord Parashuram receives, again he revives his father. If you have book 9th canto, you can open. So no? Okay. And fourth section is about the story of got it? 9th canto, chapter 16. And later he was promoted to the higher planetary system known as Saptrishi Mandal. Parashuram, the son of Jamdagni, still lives in Mahendra Parvat. Okay, anybody went Mahendra Parvat? No. In the next Manvantar, he will become a preacher of Vedic knowledge. In the dynasty of Gadi, the most powerful Vishwamitra took birth. By dint of his asserting, know that Gita Ves is there, no? Without internet it will work. You don't have. Okay. 9.16.1 Sri Shukavacha Pitropasikshito Ramas Tatheti Kurunandana Samvatsaram Tirthayatram Charitavasaramam Avrajat. Sri Shukavacha, Sri Sukadeva Goswami said, Upashikshitaha, thus advised. So, Upashikshitaha, thus advised Rama, Lord Parashuram, Tathapati, let it be so. Kuru Nandana, O son of the Kuru dynasty, Maharaj Parikshit, Samvatsaram, for one complete year, Tirth Yatram, traveling to all the holy places, Charitva, after executing ashram to his own residence there, and that's how we atone for the sin. That's why many people go to the holy places and take bath there. Ganga, Haridwar, Vrindavan, like that. So he said, okay, you also go and atone for the sin. So when he said, immediately Parashuram said, okay, I'll do that. For one complete year he travelled to holy places. Then he returned to his father's residence. Ordered by his father, that is the to holy places, Tirth Yatra, Charitva, after completing. After travelling to holy places for 1 year, Ashramam Avrajat, means he came back to his ashram. Is it? Like that you can take out the meaning of the verses. Kadachit Renuka Yata Gangayam Padma Malinam Gandharva Rajan Kridan. You got it? The shloka? So you just see the shloka. Kadachit Renuka. That means once when Renuka, Kadachit word comes, like when you start your story in English, you write once upon a time. You write no that? Once. So that is the meaning of Kadachit. Kadachit Renuka, the wife of Jamdagni, Gangayam Yata, she went to bank of Ganga. Apashyat Gandharva Rajam. Apashyat means Pashyan means seeing. This is narrated in Skanda Purana. So as per Skanda Purana, this thing, Renuka went to the Ganges, bank of the Ganges and all these things. This happened earlier, and later on Parashuram killed Kartivir Arjuna. Okay, so that is the sequence. So, and then Kartivir Arjuna came to steal the Kamdhenu. That story is gone actually in previous chapter, so you may not understand. But that is in event wise, if you performing the Homa for sacrifice, na susmar, did not remember Kinchit, very little. Chitrarath of the king of the Gandharvas known as Chitrarath, Vispraha did desire the company. She came here. So there was some delay because Jamdagni is waiting there that she will bring water, right? So that is the mistake from her side. Okay. So she completely forgot about the time. Here Jeev Goswami says that she looked out of curiosity, not out of lust. Kalatyayam tam vilokya munhe sap vishankita agatya kalasam tasthau purodhaya. Kala atyayam, passing the time. Tam, that vilokya, observing Mune of the great sage Jamdagni Shapa Vishankitaha, being afraid of the curse. Agatya, returning. Kalasam, the water pot. Tasthau, stood. Purodhaya, putting in front of the sage. Krita Anjali, with folded hands. Later, understanding that the time for offering the sacrifice had passed, Renuka feared a curse from her husband. Therefore, when she returned, keep, then they will stand like this. Okay, because they understand that I have done a mistake. So she just came, she kept the water pot, and then she was standing there, folded hand. Okay. So, Vyavicharam munir gyatva patniha prakuput घनत्तैनाम पुत्रकः पापम इति उक्तास्ते ना चक्रिरे. Vyabhicharam, adultery. Munihi, the great sage Jamdagni, Gyatva, could understand. Patniha, of his wife, Prakupitaha, he became angry. Abravit, he said, Ghanataha, kill. Enam, her Putrakaha, my dear sons, Papam, sinful. Iti Uktaha, being thus advised. They, all the sons, Naj, his order. So the great sage Jamdagni understood the adultery. Forget about associating and going on a tea party, or that is like in the modern days they say, no, we are just friends, we just went for a date. So that's not the standard, Vedic standard. She just got a thought, and that's what considered sinful. So because of this much, Pitra by his father, Bhratrin, all his brothers, Matra Saha, with the mother Avadhit, killed immediately. Prabhavagya, aware of this prowess, Munehe, also Sahi. Jamdagni then ordered his youngest son. Parashuram was the youngest son. So Jamdagni then ordered his youngest son Parashuram to kill his brothers who had disobeyed this order, and his mother who had mentally committed adultery. Okay. So what he said, you kill mother also, and because she did adultery, and you kill these brothers also because they are also not listening my words. Power of his father, and asked him to take any benediction he liked. Lord Parashuram replied, let my mother and brothers live again and not remember having been killed by me. So they should come back to life. Not only they should come back to life, but they should also forget that I killed them. Things should be wiped out. Such a nice thing. Huh? So, okay, let my mother and brothers live again and not remember having been killed by me. This is the benediction I ask. Utasthuste kusalino nidrapaya ivajjasa piturvad vidam satapo viryam ramas chakre suhurdvadam. Because Jamdagni was so powerful, so he could do that. Utsastuhu, got up immediately. Te, Lord Parashuram's mother and brothers, Kusalinaha, being happily alive. Nidra apaye, at the end of sound sleep. Eva like Anjasa very soon Pituhu of his father Vidwan being aware of Tapaha Asheti Viryam power Rama Lord Parashuram Chakra executed Suhurtvadam killing of his family members. Thereafter, by the benediction of Jamdagni, Lord Parashuram's mother and brothers immediately came alive and were very happy as if awakened from sound sleep. So they just came back to life, and what was the feeling? That just now they woke up from his sleep. That was the thing, because they forgot everything. Lord Parashuram had killed his relatives in accordance with his father's order because he was fully aware of his father's power, austerity and learning. Okay. Okay, te uttasthu kusalino. Parashuram's mother. Te means it is referring to mother and brothers, because the previous shloka is talking about them. So te refers to mother and brothers. So uttasthu kusalino. Very happily they got up. How? Nidra paya ivanjasa. Like somebody gets up from sleep. And Rama suhurdavadam chakre. Rama means Parashuram, suhurdavadam, brothers, relatives. So Parashuram had killed his relatives. Why? Because he knew Vidwan Pithu Tapoviryam. Pithu, my father is very. Vidwan means he was aware. Parashuram was aware about what he was aware. Pithu Tapoviryam, about the power and austerity of his father. Okay. So because of this thing he killed, and then Jamdagni asked for a benediction. He asked them, okay, my mother and brothers should come back to life and they should not remember that I killed them. Okay. So that was this section till text number 8. Okay. Then next section is from 9 to 19. The sons of Kartavira Arjuna. So now here what happened? This is a nice story. So Parashuram, Kartavira Arjuna came to Jamdagni's ashram. He stole the Kamdhenu, and so Parashuram became very angry. Acha, you disrespected my father. He went, he killed Kartavira Arjuna. Kartavira Arjuna's sons now became angry. Acha, you killed our father. So they came to Parashuram ashram, and when Parashuram, they knew they cannot do anything to Parashuram. So when he was not there, they came and they killed Parashuram's father. Then Parashuram will go again to fight. So that section we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Hare Krishna.